Hello guys, in this video I would like to talk about Sahara testnet. I joined this testnet several days ago and Sahara has very good investors. You can see them here: Binance Lab, Pantera Capital, Polychain, Sequoia and Samsung Next. Total investments are for $43 million. And I assume that we can have a good profit here if you will be active. And in this video I will show what exactly I'm doing here in this testnet, yes, to be active. I didn't do much so far, and together with you we cover all steps. Overall, this project is about create and monetize artificial intelligence. Such projects gain popularity, and most probably that this project will have a great usage in future. We have gained a lot of participants as of now. Here in Twitter we have more than 600,000. And now let's go to the page of this testnet and I will show you all steps how to participate. My link will be in description to this video. So I open the page and here we need to log in. I used my MetaMask. It's better to use a wallet which have some history, just not a new one. Here I need to confirm a connection with Sahara, and my wallet is connected. These are my shards which I have gathered so far, and this is the map of the desert with different areas. At the center we have such fox. I push on it and we will have some information there about this testnet. Here are description about deserts, yes, and there are description for every desert. So there are 5 of them, and for every desert we can earn NFT. When we earn all 5 NFT, there will be one additional. Now let's go to the reward section, and here is information about shards. We are earning shards here, such pieces of puzzles. So if you will collect enough shards, we can mint NFT in the future. For every desert there will be a unique NFT. And in every desert we will have some challenges and tasks. And here you can see that most of the deserts are closed so far. Yes, they only open 2 of them. But first of all we will go to the faucet on our right to claim our Sahara test tokens for test transactions. And we need just push a request and we will receive 0.1 Sahara to our wallet. But to receive this token, our wallet should have a little bit Ethereum. It should have 0.01 Ethereum, and we can climb every 24 hours. Now let's go back and let's open Gobi Desert. Here I open section task, and we have daily check-ins here and social media tasks. First let's do daily check-in. The first one, visit the Sahara block. I go there and I transfer it to Galaxy platform, and here you need to log in as well. So first we complete our tasks here and after that they are transferred to Sahara automatically. To log in here I used my MetaMask as well. I push login and here I choose my wallet. This is my MetaMask. If you do not have account here, you need to create it using your wallet. Also you need to add your social here, such Discord, Telegram and Twitter. So I go to daily visit Sahara block and continue to access. So I'm transferred to Sahara block. Okay, I come back and update. Okay, this task is completed. The next one is daily visit the Sahara Twitter. I push on it and I'm transferred to the Sahara Twitter. Okay, I go back and also update this task. Okay, nice. It's completed as well. Now I go back to Sahara page and I update here my tasks. Okay, it's done and now I can climb one shard for this. And the next one, where we visited Twitter, I push climb and I climbed. Also, I would like to highlight that there are available points in Galaxy, but these points are like separate points. Yes, you can climb them as well, but here you need to pay commission. But this is not obligatory. Okay, and the next task is daily referral. We can invite friends daily and receive 20 shards for this. And the last one from daily check-ins, this is testnet transaction. Yes. For this, we need to send tokens in Sahara. to complete this task, I open my MetaMask. Here you can see I have 0.2 Sahara. And to complete transaction, I just copy my own address here and I send to my address the minimum amount of Sahara. I put the minimum 0.001 Sahara and I push continue. Okay, and network fee is the minimum and I push confirm. Okay, it's pending. Nice, it's confirmed. It just took a few seconds and I completed the test transaction. And here I update and claim 20 shards. So you can use your own address and send this test transaction to your own wallet. Okay, and those tasks are available every day. Yes, visit Sahara blog, visit Sahara Twitter and test transaction, and you can earn 22 shards every day, and plus friends, of course. And now let's go to the social media tasks. So first, this is the legend role in Discord server. After that, the bronze role, silver, gold, and platinum. Yes. And below they have some another social tasks. Yes, like twitters and retweets, so on. First, I would like to start with a legend role. Yes, and we will complete this. For now, to receive a bronze, silver and golden role, we need to be active in Discord and we need to write particular amount of messages. And I would recommend to be active in Discord because we can receive very good bonuses for our roles in Discord. Okay, and now let's try to receive a legend role. I push on it and I also transfer it to Galaxy. Yes. And here I have this task as well. I push on it and I'm transferred to Discord, but this link is invalid. But I still push continue to Discord because I have already joined today the Discord. Okay, here it is, my Sahara Discord. And I will go to role picker section. Yes, I open it. And here we have a legend. I just push on this legend and I have received the role legend. Yes, also try to push on all of them and you will receive additional roles. Okay, what next? As of now, I have access to Visitor General. This is like pre-access, yes, and I do not have a general chat because first of all I need to receive a general role. To receive this role I need to write about 100 messages in this chat visitor generals, and after that I will receive role general. Yes, when you write here some messages you can click on your name and here you will see your role. I have legend and visitor as of now. Yes, but to be able to earn bronze, silver and platinum role, I need to receive a general role. And here we have information how to get full access. Yes. So, and here the goal is to receive general member. As of now, I have only visitors. And after I receive general member, I will have full access to the community. And these I need to receive before mainnet. Okay, and here are the information. We need to participate in events. We need chatting, yes, and we shouldn't chat like a bot, yes. And anyone who is spamming will be banned. Okay. Here also we can create some memes about Sahara and send them to those, yes, and also community tweets. We can post some tweets about Sahara. Okay. And here we can send and we will gain some points for those activities. Also here there are some tweet rights. Also we can participate there and our goal is to get 1000 XP. And also our comments will be audited. This is important. They shouldn't be spammy. Okay? And additional information about our Ethereum address and our mail. Okay, and now let's try to earn those XP. Twitter right. Okay, here it is, Twitter rights. Let's check. There are some Twitter and we need to like them. Let's go to this tweet. Okay, and here I will like, also I will retweet. But this is not obligatory, we need only like here. Okay, and I check and I earned 200 points. So you need to check all those tweets and you need to push like, and after that you need to check and collect points. Yes, this tweet is not active, yes, because we have limited time to complete those tweets. Okay, so just check in Twitter rights all Twitters and perform this activity for additional XP. Okay, and now let's go back to the Sahara and I will check if I receive shards for leg and roll. Okay, I will update here. It could take time, yes. Oh, great, it's already counted. And the next Discord roles I will be able to complete later and I will be active. And let's go down. Those are likes and retweets I have already completed. But this one, let's check. I go there. I push repost, but I have already reposted this, yes, but it wasn't counted because some tasks take time. Yes, I will refresh. Okay, it's not counted. I will try to refresh tomorrow. And here also join Telegram. I have already joined Telegram, but it was not marked as completed as well because it takes time. Let's try to refresh it. Okay, great, it's counted. Let's go back to Sahara and let's refresh our tasks here. My legend role, I push refresh. Okay, great, and shards. And let's go down those for Discord, and here for Twitter I will refresh. Okay, I climb this one, the next one I climb as well, and the next I will check all of them, will climb charts. Okay, this one is not refreshed, I will try it later. Telegram, okay, I will climb as well. Great, I earned those shards. And this one, the last one for referrals, yes. Okay, now let's go to the rewards section. And here we have history of all our shards which we earned, yes. And here we have some amount, 1155. Might this is the amount of shards we need to collect, yes, to climb this NFT. But I don't know for sure, it's just my thoughts. Okay, and now let's go to the next desert, this mouse. Okay, and here the first task, finish account registration. I push on it, and all we need to do is sign in, and this task will be counted. Yes, welcome to Sahara, and we can climb our shards for this task. And next, those tasks are not available yet, yes, because we are transferred to the same page and nothing happened, yes. I assume that those tasks will be open some later. As of now, they are not available. We just need to check from time to time. And in reward section, also history, yes. And here we had the same amount, 1155, yes, for this mouse. Okay, guys, and that's all. That's all tasks we need to do. Just log in one time daily and complete all those tasks, and it will be done. But apart from that, be active in Discord. This is very important because we will receive a really good bonus for Discord. Yes. So, guys, that's all for now. If there will be any update, I will post my video with updates. If you like my video, please give me a like and have a great day ahead. And bye.